Hi everyone, my name is Warren. Today I'm gonna teach you how to solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, let's start now! First, we're gonna learn the lingo. So, this is R and this is R prime. This is L and this is L prime. This is U and this is U prime. This is F. This is F prime. In Rubik's 3 times 3, this is center and this is side and this are H. In 3 times 3 Rubik's Cube, white always at the bottom and yellow always at the top. So how to solve this 3 times 3 Rubik's Cube? First, we're gonna make all bottom white. Remember, white is always at the bottom. When the white is already complete, the first level is automatically complete. This one, we call it first level. After the first level completed, we solve the second level. After the second level complete, we solve the roof. We make the roof level yellow, and after that, we solve level 3. Okay, that's it for introduction. See you at the next video, the part 2.